What's up everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna give you a quick tour on Apptivo CRM platform which can help you grow your business. Apptivo is a customer relationship management platform that can help you to manage your business and your customers and leads. So let's get right into it. First, let's navigate downward. Here you can see all the services that they provide. They can provide leads management, contact management, opportunities, quotes, and invoices. And if you clicked on any one of them, you will find additional information that can help you choose whether this platform is the suitable one for you or not. So let's check the pricing. Here you can see their different plans. They have three plans here. You can check the features of each one, the privileges, so you can choose the most suitable plan for you. Now let's try it for free. Here it gives you the opportunity to sign in using different platforms. Here I will choose Google. Now let's use this account. Now it will ask you some basic information in the next step, which are business name, business phone, and other information. So let's just fill them. Business phone, I will just insert a fake one. Business category, let's choose e-commerce. Country and time zone. Number of users. You can either choose to schedule a demo or not. I will choose maybe later. And here it gives you a bunch of other apps that can help you using your application with the e-commerce. So you can refuse any one of them. However, I recommend choosing all of them and get started. It takes few seconds to set up your account. Almost there. And here we are. So basically you have this left navigation panel which contains almost all of the important features. You have your agenda. Here you have it as a calendar view. You can create a new activity from here. It will ask you about the type of activity, whether it's an event, a task, or a follow-up. You can also decide how to see this calendar view, either on daily basis, weekly basis, or monthly basis. You can also filter your tasks based on today's task, overdue or upcoming, or even completed tasks. You can also choose the view here, either calendar view or list view. And you can navigate between weeks from these buttons. Next is the newsfeed, which is really like the news feeds of the Facebook or any other social media platform. It shows you a cell in which you can write your own post, and after writing it, you can filter the existing newsfeed by the application, the people. You can also choose a specific date. And here you can search your new feed based on a specific keyword. Next is your calendar, which shows you all the events that are related to you. You can, as you did with the agenda, you can choose the view, either it's on daily basis, weekly basis, or monthly basis. You can also choose whether to see it as a calendar view or list view or even table view. Next is the tasks view, is the tasks tab, which contains all the tasks that are related to you. Since we don't have a task here, any task, we will create a new task by clicking on this. Let's say tutorial and select the description as a tutorial. Here is the due date of your task, and you can select who to assign this task to. You can also fill in additional information like the start date, the end date, priority. Let's set it high. You can choose the category, you can add tags, and now let's create. After creating your task, you can add a work log, call log, a news feed, and other options. You can also delete the task if you no longer need it, and you can mark it as a complete if it's accomplished. You can filter your tasks based on completed tasks, based on status, but based on priority and many other options. So let's say I want to filter by priority. If I chose high, I will find my task as I set it as a high priority task. If I chose medium, I will not find any tasks since I already have a single task which is of a high priority. This helps you if you have many tasks exist, so that you can set them by from highest priority to the lowest priority, so you can finish what is most important first. Next is the call logs, which shows you all your call logs. You can also filter them by type and by tags. Next are other options like your work, QE, your follow-ups, your emails. In this email section, it's really like Gmail and other email providers. You can see your old mail, your inbox, your sent drafts and archived. You can also send a new mail by pressing on the compose here. Finally, the notes tab, which contains all the notes that you've got. You can also access the help center by pressing on the show chat here. You can type the message and you can see what is related to your question. You can also add a ticket from this sign. By pressing on it, you can decide the type of the problem. You can decide the app that you face the problem with. You can add the subject, attachment, message, and send it. Next is the top menu here. It shows you multiple options that you can or you can't use based on your selection and your application. So here you got the product management, financials, supply chain, human resources, CRM, and more. And each tab of them contains other options that you can fill. So if you want to fill your invoices, you can go to financials, you can choose invoices, and you can fill them. So it's based on your selection. You can use this menu or not. Here are other option in Apptivo.crm, which helps you with this menu specifically, which is the apps or the app store. It's classified based on each one of them so that it can provide you with a bunch of apps that can help you with your specific demand. So if you want, as we said before, you want to fill your invoices in financials, you can search here in financials and you can find many apps that can help you here. Any app that you want, you can add it and you can use it. Since we already added invoices, we will see it in financials here. Here it is. So if these options are not enough for you and you need additional help in financials, you can find your specific requirement in these apps. So that's pretty much it. The purpose of this tutorial is to just give you a quick tour on the main features of Apptivo.crm. So as you can see, it's a pretty easy to use website. All the items here are pretty much self-explanatory. So that was our quick tour for today for Apptivo.crm and its features. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.